I also did a little thing here. I thought, well, obviously they probably want to bridge over to Pi as well, right? So, I did this little thing I called Pipeline. I thought it was a cool name for it. So this is inevitable, I think. Now, one of the applications or the ecosystem apps on Stellar is ZK Cross, right? And I reached out to them, and I actually had a video call with them last night. They're based in Dubai, right? And we had a good 30-minute discussion and all that. And I told them how I wanted to be the one to introduce them to the PiCore team, right? So we had a great discussion. They're really keen on Pi Network. Obviously, since we're a fork of Stellar, this is a very seamless integration for them, so they're very excited about that. They're very happy about a $6 million Pioneer community, and so yeah, they're totally on board. So I'm going to be, I'm just going to wait for a few details from them, like email contacts and stuff like that, and yeah, that'll be my contribution to introducing ZK Cross, their team, to the PiCore team. Right, so that's excellent news. So the Pi Influencer program was something I really wasn't expecting, and but certainly very well welcome. And really look forward to hopefully getting accepted and working with core team to promote Pi more. So if we take a look in here and we go into our browser, click on our profiles. Right, so go to profile settings. Now, originally when you go in here, you used to look like this, right? And if you went into account information, then we had all our socials here, but we weren't able to fill them out yet. But now when you go in there, it looks like this, right? So you've got all these apply buttons, right? So let's have a look at one and go through the process. So in case you're not sure and you want to apply for this yourself. So we look at the Twitter, right? So you click on apply, you get this screen up, you type in your handle, your number of followers. Obviously, if you've got a high following, this is going to help your application. And I've got 28,000 on Twitter, so that should be very, very good. When we click verify, right, we come to here. Now they're asking you to do a Twitter post, right? And you have to put in this. Join me on mindpi.com, right? So this is the Twitter post that I did, right? So you can see here, you can do anything, you can do any graphic you want, and as long as you've got this text, right? I've seen some people do different variations of this. I've seen other people do like YouTube ones they haven't done correctly. So it's very important to do it correctly. Make sure you got the join me on MyPi, right? My handle's jingjo, so I've got that there. Because obviously the AI will be searching for this, right, as an initial improvement. This is just to make sure that you own the account, right? So then you come back here, right? You copy the URL of the post, right? Post it in here, click your tick mark, and submit your application. And bang, congratulations, you're done, right? So it's not a very difficult process. Like I said, it's a few different ways to make sure you do it correctly. Obviously, Twitter posts are pretty simple. I've seen people on YouTube, though, actually make a video, right, with this thing, and I'm pretty sure that's not what they're looking for. There's actually a YouTube post you can do, right? So I've done that YouTube post, and you can see here once you've done everything, then everything sits in pending, right? So, and I've got YouTube as well, right?